Well, it's day 2 of the beast from the east, which hasn't really been that beastly, to be honest. And I'm heading down to pick up a friend of mine. This is John Stead, who you can find on Instagram as northernwild.co.uk. So John's a great photographer. We're going to have a wander out into the North Yorkshire moors. So John's just arrived and is about to get in the car. There's John now. So we've just got to decide where we're going to head off, and I'm not quite sure where we're going to go. It might be somewhere around Roseberry Topping or North Yorkshire moors or whatever. What I do know is that even in Middlesbrough there's quite a lot of snow, so fingers crossed it's going to be absolutely packed and full of snow wherever the hell we end up. So any ideas?
Topping.
Dykes Lane had a fresh layer of snow over ice, and it was proving challenging even for the Jeep, which was crabbing side to side and struggling to gain traction on the incline on the way up. Getting up would be one thing, of course my worry would be getting back down afterwards. We're just on the way up to Roseberry Topping here, and it's quite a steep ascent, and there's lots of steps. You can't see them because they're covered in snow and it's cold, but we've had a little glimmer of light, so fingers crossed we're going to get something good here. Definitely snowing now. It's cold. It's lovely. It's going to be necessary to tuck ourselves out of the wind a little bit. Just going to have to crack on. We're just walking up to Roseberry Topping now. Unfortunately, the sun started to come out. Can you see behind? I won't go too far. There's some beautiful light landing across this snow, and these tufts of grass are poking through, and it looks fantastic. It's just really cold. In the distance you can see there are some storm clouds on the horizon, and with that sun hitting Roseberry Topping and illuminating it, should look absolutely amazing. For the safety of this fence with my considerable bulk coming over the top. Sorry, fence. Always got to remember safety in the countryside. It really would become a mad rush to try and get the tripod up and try and squeeze off a few images. The clouds were moving so quickly that I knew very fast that they would just disappear and that snow would roll back in on us. Got a lot of snow come in, and the light that was here literally kind of for a fleeting moment is now gone. And I don't know if you can see behind me, but all of this is snow clouds coming in. We're going to have to patiently wait this out. Blowing a gale. It's really quite cold up here now. We may or we may not get a break in this snowstorm. The snow stopped a little bit, but there's still lots of snow clouds around us. There's no light falling onto Roseberry at the moment. It's going to be a case of suck it and see and keep our fingers crossed. Any chance of the light returning seemed to be fading fast. Huge snow clouds were rolling in quickly overhead, and we were about to be subjected to over an hour of whiteout blizzard, which at times was icy cold. With little chance of things changing, John suggested we head off home, but reluctant to give in, I decided we would hang out and see what we could do right till the point of sunset. I could see a break in the clouds coming and decided that now would be the best time to record an outro for the video. Well, that's pretty much it for today. It remains to be seen whether or not we're going to get anything that looks okay. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, keep photographing. Of course, that wasn't quite the end of the story. We still had to make our way back to the car, having a little bit of fun along the way. However, the weather took a turn for the worse again, and the fun didn't last. We had some absolute howling winds and some real spin drift, snow everywhere and drifts that were thigh deep. It was absolutely awesome. Even though we didn't get what we wanted photographically, there's always something to be learned, and this experience was something that will stick with me. It was time to head home, navigating a frozen and ice-covered Dykes Lane, which certainly added to the excitement at the end of the day. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and keep an eye out for part 3 coming next week. Keep shooting and bye for now.